Hello guys, you are welcome to Rakesh Raya Trading System YouTube channel, and today I will be discussing with you about Nifty, Bank Nifty and few other stocks where I found some opportunity. So let's start with the Nifty. So see in my last video I have mentioned about this level which is a strong resistance level, or as we see here, this level is reacting over here, it's over here, it's here, here. So multiple time it's reacting at the same level, and that's why I consider this as a very important level. So again, last week I we were here and I mentioned that this may cross or may not cross, and so it resisted here, came down, again coming to the same level, and we are standing in the same position what we were in the last week. So what will happen tomorrow, I don't know. I will recommend, or I will basically buy if price sustain above this level for at least 1 hour. So I will be, in that case I will be buying for the target of first target of 15,050, and then second target will be this. If price comes down again, I will be shorting here for first target this, and then second target will be this. So first hour of tomorrow's trading will be crucial and will decide the trend of the market. So next we will see the Bank Nifty. Nifty Bank. These are also so same stories what we discussed in the last week's video. This is my resistance level, and again crucial, but at the same time this one is another level. So for me this zone 3400 to 34400 will be no trade zone. If it crosses this level 34400, then I will be go long for this level and for this level. So if it crosses 34400, I will be, my target will be 35,350 and 36,400. If it's failed to cross this level, again my target will be on downside. This is my target, first target, and this is my second target. This is my view for next week. So let's see what happens, because I'm not very bullish or bearish. I'm little cautious considering the situation of corona, and all these things basically not pushing me upside or downside. Maybe we will be again trading in some range till we get the clarity on the corona situation. If that situation changes, then we may see some good upside move. First stock for me, first stock will be SRF. SRF, if we see, it has given a fantastic move from its this, actually here it created fantastic base. Okay, on this level it created base. We saw price moved here for a very long time. This is a hourly chart, so if we go and check the daily chart, we can see easily that it has created base on support level. So for me this is a very important level. So come back to the hourly chart to find out the levels. See, this is this move I have seen last day. So this is the level that I will consider as my stop loss for entry level at close above the close price, and immediate target will be immediate target for me will be this level 5,900, and final target will be 6,000. So this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and this is first target and first, second target. So this is my analysis for SRF. Then just go and see, sorry, this is SRF, then this is SRT Finance, Shriram Transport Finance, Shriram Transport Finance. See, we see on this early chart, it's creating it's creating rounding bottom, and now again around it's the high. So definitely I will be buying above this with the stop loss of my with the stop loss of previous low will be 1430. Just check on the daily chart. Okay, so if I buy above this, those who are aggressive trader can buy here itself. Those who are some conservative and want to take risk after that, they can buy above this. So I will be maintain my target stop loss here at around 1407. So it's all up to you how aggressive you want to trade, but for me target will be based on my the rounding bottom. So this will be the my target from here, which comes around, which is around 18 to 1800. So for me this will be my target. So the entry around this or around this, what if you are aggressive you can take a trade above this. If you are little conservative, buy above this. This will be my stop loss and this will be my target for uh, but this is a positional call, not for 1 or 2 days. It may take 15 to 20 days to reach, or even 2 months to reach this target. So one who want to go with the some positional trade, they can enter into this. Another one is Relaxo. Relaxo footwear. So Relaxo footwear, if you see, we it is again at its new high. It's a basically we saw RSI has taken support on 60. This is a double bottom formation, and now it's a top. If it crosses this one, we can buy above this. We can buy above this. So whenever you get the entry above this, you can buy with the stop loss of, yeah, stop loss will be little higher side, 871, and my target will be around same what I saw. We saw just about like a double rounding bottom in. So this will be based on the theory of double bottom. See, this is my target from this. So target will be around 1000, and 1021 will be my immediate target. So based on this, this will be my target. So entry, stop loss, and target for relaxo. Then go to Thyrocare. Thyrocare. See, here we see trend line breakout. Trend line resistance breakout. Okay, so this is a trend line resistance breakout. So it from here also it is breaking horizontal resistance also. So this looks like a new uptrend from here. So one can buy at the current price for the target of this one and this one. So these are the targets for Thyrocares, whereas my stop loss will be this. So one can buy here, one can go long here with the stop loss, and with this stop loss and these other targets. So guys, I guess this will help you to take your call tomorrow or in the week whenever you get the entry. Just I want to clarify here that I'm not in a SEBI registered or any certified advisor. This is based on my study. This is not recommendation. This is for study purpose only. Before taking any call, you take the advice from your financial advisor or any advice for, or based on your study, you will be responsible for any sort of loss or profit. Thanks a lot. uh, Happy trading. Happy weekend. Bye bye.